also now focusing on the other big controversy from Olympics. That's Narsingh Yadav, because another roadblock for the wrestler. Now it's WADA that has appealed against the anti-doping panel's order, with exonerated Narsingh Yadav of doping charges. Narsingh Yadav failed a dope test ahead of Olympics, but the wrestler was exonerated as a NADA panel believed it was a case of sabotage. Narsingh then travelled to Rio for the games after the panel's clearance, and now WADA has raced against this decision. Boria Mazumdar is still with us. Now, Boria, after all the drama that happened in India, now it seems there is another hurdle for Narsingh. What is the latest that you're hearing in the case? How bright are chances for Narsingh Yadav to at least circumvent this WADA roadblock, because the decision, we believe, will be just ahead of his crucial match?
You know, I don't think Narsingh Yadav will have it very easy in that WADA hearing on the 18th at 9 a.m. Because two things here. One, I'm told by IOA sources that the WFI had been informed about this WADA complaint on the 13th itself. And I want to put that on record. We broke it at India Today last night, and I'm putting it on record that Rakesh Gupta had informed Brijbhushan Singh Saran and Narsingh Yadav on the 13th of August. Why did they wait till the 16th of August to challenge this or mount their defense? I don't know. They should have gotten Vidush Singhania here as his lawyer. He's fought the case in India. He ought to have been here, not on con call. What resulted in these 3 days of delay, valuable time lost, I think will go against Narsingh Yadav. I think it's administrative inefficiency. I think it's a pathetic way of dealing with this situation. The saga goes on, and imagine this. A player plays his bout within hours from there, and what will be his mental state, even if he gets out of this problem? Will he be in a mental state to even go out there and compete, is the singular question that I now have in my mind.
Absolutely, that's the big question, but our hopes are with Narsingh Yadav that he will circumvent the WADA roadblock as well. Joining us right now, Anand Deshmukh, who is Deputy CM of the Mission, and he's right now with us. Mr. Deshmukh, how are you seeing this case?
ये खबर आ रही है कि नरसिंह को सीएस हियरिंग के लिए बुलाया था, एंड जस्ट वांटेड टू नो उसमें हुआ क्या आज सर?
और 2 दिन का टाइम मिल गया ये आविष्कार। हाँ,
2 दिन का टाइम मिला है टू प्रेजेंट आवर केस।
हाँ, उसके बाद जब होगा ना, सुनवाई जब होगी, उसके वकील करेंगे तब तो पता चलेगा।
अच्छा जी, तो ये 2 दिन का टाइम आईओए ने मांगा है?
आईओए ने, उसके वकील ने मांगा है, नरसिंह के वकील ने मांगा है। आईओए भी उसके साथ ही है।
आईओए भी नरसिंह के साथ है। तो सर ये 2 दिन के बाद जो हियरिंग होगी उसमें नरसिंह के साथ और कौन होंगे मीटिंग में?
इनके वकील होंगे, यहाँ भी वकील किया गया है। और उसके वकील भी, नारा ने वकील भी दिया है, 3 वकीलों का पैनल भी दिया है, नाम नहीं याद है, तो वो उसके बाद से देखेंगे।
अच्छा जी, सर ये वर्ल्ड एंटी डोपिंग एजेंसी क्या बोल रही है, वो क्यों चाहते हैं इनका बैन?
अब किसी ने कंप्लेंट किया है, दूसरे ने कंप्लेंट किया है।
अच्छा सर, बस लास्ट केस, क्या आप होप कर रहे हैं कि नरसिंह पार्टिसिपेट कर पाएंगे?
मुझे तो पूरी उम्मीद है।
Well, thank you, Mr. Deshmukh. That is Deputy Chef, the Mission, Anand Deshmukh, who spoke to India Today earlier as well, where we have all hopes for Narsingh right now. Entire nation praying that he's able to represent the country after facing controversy after controversy.